What is the main advantage of FET which makes it more useful in industrial application? That is small size. The correct option is C. The H parameter analysis gives correct results for small signals only. Hence the correct option is B. The output of oscillator will not depend on input voltage. Hence the correct option is D. What is the value of the maximum efficiency of the class B amplifier, which is equal to the 50 to 70%? Hence the correct option is D. The units frequently used to measure the forward bias and reverse bias current of a diode are milliampere and microampere respectively. Hence the correct option is C. What is the conduction angle for class B push-pull amplifier, which is equal to 180? Hence the correct option is C. Where should be the bias point set in order to make transistor work as an amplifier? Which is active mode. Hence the correct option is B. Why is the silicon mostly chosen when compared to germanium, which is greater working temperature? Hence the correct option is C. Which of the following acts as a buffer? That is, CC amplifier works as a buffer. Hence the correct option is A. In a transistor, signal is transferred from a low resistance to high resistance circuit. Hence the correct option is B. The value of current gain beta for a common emitter transistor is generally between 20 and 500. Hence the correct option is C. Which phenomena in BJT is responsible for reduction in the effective base width due to reverse biasing of base collector junction? That is early effect. Hence the correct option is B. Which current acts as a constant form of current source in an active region of BJT amplifier? That is collector current. Hence the correct option is A. What values of resistance are offered by an ideal diode in forward and reverse biased condition respectively? Hence the correct option is A. 0 and infinity. Drift current is due to applied electric field over a given distance. Hence the correct option is A. What is a cascade amplifier? A cascade of CE and CB amplifier is called cascade amplifier. Hence the correct option is C. Which of the following configuration is used for audio signal amplification? That is common emitter configuration. Hence the correct option is B. Which is not considered as a linear voltage regulator? That is switching regulator. Hence the correct option is C. FET, voltage controlled current device. That is true. Hence the correct option is A.